students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Let's talk about devotion. Devotion means prayer offered to God. Devotion is a love, loyalty, religious worship and pray to God. The purpose of devotion is to encourage spiritual growth. Devotion means love and affection towards God. Devotion is having a full faith in God. Show your reverence towards God by the way of prayer. Surrender yourself at His feet. God needs love and faith. Devotion is not a God. Devotion is your making emotions so sweet that your life experience become beautiful.
In the midst of the forest sat calmly a saint. This saint was famous in the whole country for his miraculous wonders. Devotees from far across the country visited this saint so that their problem was solved. There was one devotee who never missed to visit the saint for his blessing. He generally used to bring simple things necessary for worshipping God, like flowers, fruits, etc. Everyone staying in the nearby village said that he was the greatest devotee of the saint. One day, just to impress the saint, he thought to bring a very costly gift. He had saved his earning for a long time to buy this gift. He brought two gold bangles to donate to the saint. When he gave the bangles to the saint started playing with it to show that he was very happy with the gift. The saint was sitting near a river. By fault, one of the bangles bounced from his hands and went straight into the river. The devotee became very sad, and with anxiousness he started to search the bangle everywhere inside the river. After hours of hard work, he was unable to find the bangle. He asked the saint the exact point where he threw the bangles. The saint did not realize what to do, and to show the exact point where he threw the bangles, he took the second bangle and threw it in the same place inside the river. He set the devotee to search at that point where he threw the second bangle. The devotee became very sad and asked the saint why he did so. The devotee had lost two bangles which were very costly. Seeing the devotee said, the saint explained the reason why he did so. He said that he had thrown the bangles intentionally to explain that God does not want such gifts. He said that he is sent and he is free from all these attractions of the world. So he did not need such gift that will tempt him. He consolidated the devotee, and suddenly the devotee saw the gold bangles back at his hands. The saint said the devotee to sell these gold bangles and use it to sustain his livelihood. The saint said that his devotion is not pure, since he had more concentration towards the gold and not on his devotion. The saint said that the gold was acting like a hurdle between his devotion and love. Hence, the story has the moral that God is not attracted by costly gifts, but he wants the true devotion of the devotees. Once God decided to go to a temple, which he really does. So he gave a dream to the priest. He said, I am going into the temple tomorrow. So the priest, for a change, started cleaning the temple. They throw water everywhere. Prasad, flowers will be lying down here and there, and some dry flowers will be found. He told all the people, today God is going to come to the temple. No one believed him. Say, oh, what happened to the priest? They felt sorry for him. But the priest still made all the arrangements. He brought flowers, arranged the temple, and then he waited. After evening, 6 o'clock, there was another priest said, oh, you are crazy. First few moments, people have some hope, and then time went. and people started discouraging him. He started doubting himself. So he waited till 11 o'clock. Somehow tried to be awake, but then he fell asleep. Then, in the middle of the night, he heard somebody knocking on the door. Priest heard a knock on door. Then the priest wanted to get up and say, "See, I hear a knock. Maybe God has come." The co-priest who was with him scolded him and made him go to sleep. In the morning, when he opens the door of the temple, he finds the footprints and finds a wheel of carrot. He was so sorry. God really came and he missed it. God is calling you every moment. He is singing through you. He is waking up through sounds of birds, animal, little creature. God is in stone, flowers. He is everywhere and He is filled with happiness, joy, and grace.
So, students, always believe in God. When you have a full faith in God, feel that the God is around you and He is watching you. Believe that whenever you are having any difficulties in your life, the God will going to help you. He will support you, bless you, and love you. In the story also, nobody is believing on the priest. The priest says that God is there at the door, but everybody is laughing on the priest. At last, he was right. The God came at the door and knocked. So, the God is not attracted with the beautiful gifts you are giving. He only wants your love and affection. Most of the people find God in stones and flower. He is right also. The God, if you pray with full heart and full love, you will find the God in the stone also and flowers also. So, prayer with your pure heart and with pure devotion. Devotion is a commitment and dedication towards anything you want to achieve. A very beautiful line said by Matthew: "Love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your mind." This is the first and greatest commitment